This is the DIY flower earrings inspired by the movie It Is With Us. So I have this goal, you guys, that I'm trying to read 20 books. So these are the books that I'm reading right now. If you guys want the books, I'll leave a description below. So this is also my Kindle too. If you really like this Kindle, I also will leave the description below. So I'm just typing in It Ends With Us because I really want to buy the book, but I need to buy the first book too. So and no spoilers, please. Alright, so let's get to the tutorial. So I'm just tying a knot using these beads. So I'm trying to add about 3 a strand, and I'm looping it through the gold bead to try to create that flower earring look. And then after I do that, I just tie it. And then do the same thing. Like so. Alright, so I try to loop it through that gold bead again. Oh, and through the blue bead. Trying to get it through that gold bead. So I finally pushed it on through. I think I did. Alright, there we go. Push the string on through, and it's starting to look like a flower. So I'm going to tie it up in a knot again to secure it, and then I'm going to add like one more like flower petal, I would say. Add the 3 beads, and then slide it through that other gold bead, and slide it through one of the blue beads. There we go. Voila. There you go. And then I'm just doing the same thing on the other pair of earrings. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm tying a knot to make it more secure. Then I'm adding a earring post using glue. Alright, and that should dry. I'd say about a good 20 minutes. There we go. It looks like something that the character would wear, I think. But what do you guys think? And then it's just repeat with the second pair of earrings. So, you guys, you can let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the movie. Was it good? Was it bad? I know it's about, domestic, I believe a domestic, relationship, but, I haven't read the book or the movie, so haven't read the book or seen the film. So you could just say, oh, it was good or it was bad. Just let me know in the comments. We could just chat it up. Chat it up. Alright, you guys. So this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, comment, share. So I'm so excited that I reached 500 subscribers. I just want to say thank you to everybody.